Halifax, December 6th, 1917. The SS Emo heads to the Narrows, leaving Bedford Basin en route to New York as the SS Mont Blanc, a wartime munition ship loaded with explosives, arrives into Halifax Harbor.
Hold up the train. Ammunition ship afire in the harbor. Making for Pier 6 and will explode. Guess this will be my last message. Goodbye, boys.
The Halifax Explosion was the largest man-made explosion in history prior to Hiroshima. It devastated the city. A crippling blizzard then followed that night, blanketing the city in 40 centimeters of snow. Nearly 2,000 people lost their lives. Another 9,000 were injured. Homes and buildings were flattened and infrastructure destroyed. The Mi'kmaq village of Tufts Cove was completely wiped out. Among those lost were 9 firefighters who bravely answered the call to Pier 6. This remains the largest loss of firefighter life in a single incident in Canadian history, and is commemorated annually with a memorial bell ceremony. Fire Chief Edward P. Condon, Deputy Chief William P. Brunt, Captain William T. Broderick, Captain Michael Maltus, Hosman John Spruan, Hosman Walter Hennessy, Hosman Frank Keeling, Hosman Frank Leahy, Hosman John Duggan. The relief effort started immediately. Soldiers cleared debris and searched for survivors. Trains brought medical and relief supplies and departed with the injured. Support arrived from across Canada, from Boston, New York, and overseas. Out of the ashes, a shattered city rebuilt.
When the waves roll on over the waters and the ocean cries, we look to our sons and daughters to explain our lives, as if a child could tell us why, that as sure as the sunrise, as sure as the sea, as sure as the wind in the trees, we rise again in the faces of our children. We rise again in the voices of our song. We rise again in the waves out on the ocean. And then we rise again.
it grows dark with the forces of creation across a stormy sky. We look to reincarnation to explain our lives, as if a child could tell us
That as sure as the sunrise, as sure as the sea, as sure